What's up, you guys? We're back with another hair video. I'll be installing some knotless braids. I've already like washed my hair and blow dried it or whatever. So y'all, so I got I have this I have this hair on my YouTube already before. So when I did my other like semi knotless braids, but this is the hair. Not even gonna try to say it, but it's 36 inches, so you already know these braids gonna be cute as heck, and they're gonna go by super easy. This is how long the hair is. Get into it, like, period. And it's 16 packs of hair. I am finna be so cute. Like the Bohemian book, we got this curly hair. I don't know who it's from, but like everything that I've used will be in the description box, period. So this is the hair. Look how curly this is. Wait, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to parting my hair off camera. Okay, you guys, so I am back. I started on some braids already. This is what they're looking like. These are gonna be so cute, y'all. Like, I'm just ready. And they're actually knotless, so I've been doing all of my braids knotless right now. This is a freaking long journey. I feel like I'm gonna be here for a minute though, y'all, to be completely honest. Like, these are so long. So I already have it parted right here, and I take some of this braid gel and I go in. I take like a little bit, and then I kind of just like, I have a mirror down here, so I'm looking at that. I go in and I like just put enough like gel on there. This gel is okay. Would I recommend it for real? I don't know. Okay, what's up, you guys? I am back. My hair is still not finished, but we're almost done with it. This is what we're looking like right now. I have like this section right here. We have like 2 more rows after this, and we're gonna be done. I'm super excited. I think these are super cute. But I'm gonna show you guys how to do the back row once I get to like the last one. So stay tuned for that. Oh my, why the heck does my voice sound like that? Anyways, stay tuned for that. These were so easy to do. It's just time consuming trying to like pull the hair or whatever. So I'll be back showing you guys how to do my last and final row in the back. So see y'all. done with the goddess braids. Now we're just gonna put some mousse on there, which I got like the Garner's fruity one, and I also got Lotta Body coconut. They claim to help frizz, so we'll see. It's officially done. We're not gonna do any baby hairs because I just don't feel like it, but yeah, these are completely knotless. If you guys want like a more in-depth video on how to do knotless for like beginners, because this is really like my first time attempting a full style on them, let me know. But we're gonna go ahead and close out this video, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, goddess braids. We out.